everybody, I'm back. And today I have a very big decision to make and I need your help. If you're new here, welcome to the Nail Coven. On Mondays, we play with makeup because even though it's a nail channel, it's still my channel. And I like to do makeup too. As you know, I'm going to Disneyland on opening day. So, I need to figure out what I'm going to wear and how I'm going to do my makeup. As you can see, I've already actually done this video and you can see what I decided on. But if you want to see the process, stay tuned and I will show you how I did this Cinderella inspired look. I'm using Cinderella as my inspiration for the day on my outfit and my makeup and my hair and all that stuff. And I gotta figure these things out beforehand. I can't be rushing that morning. So I'm gonna plan all this out in advance. Here we go. Okay. So we're going to start with eyes. Since we're doing a Cinderella look, obviously we'll be doing a lot of blues and glitter. All right, so, where do we start? I don't even know. I'm nervous. I'll just look through my blues first. This thing is so awkward to open. Okay, what do I have? What can we use? I don't know. What's this color? I don't even know if I've ever tried this. That's pretty. Yeah. Okay, we're getting started. We're getting something. What's this? See, I haven't looked in this thing very much, in this like big Sephora palette thingy. I only look in here if I feel like I can't find something in all my other stuff. Dark indigo color. Okay, I'm going to try something. I might have to work on both eyes. I might have two different eyes. We'll see. I don't know. Maybe not. No, never mind. Never mind, I said that. Do I want to put that on or do I want to put this? I don't know. I'm going to do this pencil. I don't know what this pencil is. It's just like from this big Sephora shadow palette and it had some pencils and some blushes and some other things, but let's see, does it say what it is? Don't trust my eyes though, they're no good. All over my lid adds a base to work on top of. I'm going to try this bright blue in my crease. Now I'm going to use a dark blue out of this Sephora Pro palette just on the outer third of my eye. And just drag a little over into the crease. Now, I'm going to get a little flat brush and I'm going to put that bright blue under my lower lash all over. And some more of the dark blue on the outer third of the lower lash line. And blend it up. Move it up. And I'm going to get a fluffy brush. I'm going to use a light sparkly blue color to smoke out the edges. Blend them. And I'm going to get a little bit of white for the corners of my eyes, like a sparkly white. And I'm gonna get a clean fluffy brush and smoke everything out even more. Really blend it. We need some frozen color on these eyes of mine. I think I'm going to put this on the inner 2/3 of my eye, like a little concealer brush kind of. And this stuff is very slippery kind of, so you gotta kind of pick some up. You can't just tap it in, you gotta pick it up, like scoop it up a little. Yeah, like I got like a little chunk on there. Okay, here we go. This is the scary part. I love this glitter. This is the Frozen 2, I don't know, glitter stuff from ColourPop. Now, I feel like I need the outer third still a little darker. Let's see, I don't think I have a darker blue. So I'm just gonna add like the taddest bit of black. Okay, I like that for the shadow. Okay, eyeliner. Okay, we are going to be using the Kiss lash glue and liner in one. So before I put this on, I'm going to prepare my lashes by just getting them out of the package and trimming them, because I need to trim them. Since I will be going to Disneyland. Disneyland's not a fun place to wear like really intense lashes, like if they're too heavy or something. So I'll be doing my little cutting in half trick to make it feel not so heavy. Lashes need to go on right away. And I forgot to put on my mascara again. I get so excited about these lashes, about this lash glue, I forget to put on my mascara. But it looks okay. It looks okay without it too. Hopefully I won't forget the day of. Put some on my bottom lashes though. Okay, now I feel like I have to have a pale lip because this is a lot. So what should we do for lips? I'm thinking pale pink. Will that be too colorful? I'm gonna try it. Now we have sparkly eyes. Should we do matte lips? Probably. The lip liner I'm using is quite a bit darker than the lipstick, so hopefully it'll blend in. Though it doesn't really matter what my lips look like because I'll be wearing a mask the whole time, so it's just the eyes. That's what matters. That's what you'll be seeing in pictures and memories. That looks cute. But again, doesn't matter for the actual day because I'll be wearing this mask. All right, just some blush and this look is done. Should I put like a little jewel on my face too? That would be cool. Oh my Disney day. Let's just try it out. Today's just a test. It doesn't matter. I just use one of these little thingies. Blue or pink? Purple. Let's do purple. I lost it. Yeah. What do you think of my mole? It's natural. Got my makeup planned. Think I have my outfit planned. I'm wearing this just with some like shorts, but what ears am I gonna wear? Am I even gonna wear ears? I gotta wear ears on Disneyland's opening day. But I have a few, okay. These are my favorite ones right now. So, wear these. These, or I could do little buns in my ears. Obviously not just like this. I'm just like putting this up really quick. This is just for effect. They won't actually look like this. Stay. And then I have this Cinderella bow. I can put, obviously my buns would be bigger. And this lights up, I think. Some more, there's a button. There it is. I'm a princess. Okay, you guys tell me in the comments the light up bow or the princess ears. Because my backpack is pink, so it'll match the ears. And my shoes are pink too. Help me, help me. Okay, so yeah, I'll figure it out. And I don't know, this day is a big deal for me. So I might have to make a video about it. Might have to. If you liked this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. It's how I know what kind of videos to make. So if you want to see more Disney-inspired makeup, let me know by hitting the thumbs up. Make sure and subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss me going to Disneyland. I will see you in the next one. Bye.